In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive chats in ChatGPT. If your chat list is getting cluttered or you just want a cleaner workspace, archiving is a quick way to tidy things up without deleting anything. Archiving removes conversations from your main sidebar so you can focus on what matters now, while keeping those chats available if you ever need to reference them later. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ChatGPT. When the results appear, choose the official site. Look for the trusted domain and avoid sponsored results that don't clearly point to the official page. If you use ChatGPT often, consider bookmarking the site so you can return to it without searching each time. On the landing page, click Sign In. Use your usual login method and complete any verification prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll land in the main ChatGPT interface, where your chat history appears on the left side. Now, locate your chat history sidebar on the left. This is where all your recent conversations are listed by title. If you don't see the sidebar, make sure your browser window is wide enough or check for a menu icon that toggles the panel. The sidebar is your starting point for archiving individual chats. To archive a single conversation, hover your mouse over the conversation title in the sidebar. When you do, you'll see additional controls appear, such as the three dots or an archive icon. Click those controls and choose Archive. You may be asked to confirm. After you archive, the conversation disappears from the main list, helping you keep your sidebar streamlined. A quick tip: if a conversation has a generic title, you can rename it first so it's easier to recognize later, then archive it. If you want to archive your entire history at once, open Settings, then go to Data Controls, and select Archive All Chats. You'll typically find settings near the bottom of the sidebar, often under your Profile or App Controls. Confirm the action and give it a moment to process, especially if you have a long history. Remember, archiving is not deleting. Your chats are preserved, just hidden from daily view, which makes this a safe way to declutter without losing context or past work. That's all there is to it. Sign in, find your chat list, archive individual conversations as needed, or use settings to archive everything in one go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner ChatGPT workspace.